Welcome back to Royal Rides. Today, we're diving into the world of sleek luxury on wheels with the 2026 Hymer Exsis-i A-Class Motorhome, a compact yet supremely sophisticated touring machine built for those who crave comfort, performance, and freedom on the open road. So buckle up, because this is not just a motorhome, this is your 5-star hotel with horsepower. Let's begin with the design and exterior. The 2026 Hymer Exsis-i wears a fully integrated A-Class design, merging the cab and living space into one seamless aerodynamic silhouette. The vehicle's width remains a slender 2.22 meters, making it one of the most compact A-Class motorhomes in its category. Despite its slim dimensions, it packs an impressive presence with its bold LED daytime running lights, panoramic windscreen, and an elegant front grille. Hymer continues its legacy of lightweight construction using the award-winning Qual 2.0 body technology, featuring aluminum outer and inner walls, high-density foam insulation, and a wood-free structure. This gives the Exsis-i exceptional thermal performance, durability, and reduced overall weight, boosting fuel efficiency and load capacity. Powering this luxury liner is the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis combined with a 140 to 180 horsepower diesel engine, paired with a 6-speed manual or optional 9-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're navigating alpine passes or cruising coastal highways, the Exsis-i delivers a smooth and confident drive with modern stability systems like ESP, hill holder, and crosswind assist. Step inside and you'll instantly feel the upscale ambiance. The interior of the 2026 Hymer Exsis-i is all about intelligent design and luxurious execution. Choose between multiple layout configurations ranging from 6 to 7.4 meters in length. Popular models like the Exsis-i 580 or 690 offer twin single beds at the rear with a large garage underneath, a central bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen. The living area boasts high-quality materials, soft close drawers, LED ambient lighting, and a cozy dinette with rotating captain chairs. Above the cab, there's a generous drop-down bed, making this motorhome perfect for couples or small families. Thanks to the flat floor design throughout the cabin, moving around inside is easy and intuitive. The kitchen unit features a 2- or 3-burner gas hob, stainless steel sink, ample countertop space, and a large 142-liter fridge with freezer. For those who love to cook while traveling, it's a dream setup. The bathroom is designed for both comfort and practicality. Depending on the layout, you'll find a compact wet bath or a spacious split bath design with separate shower and toilet areas. All models include a roof vent for ventilation and high-quality fixtures. When it comes to storage, the Exsis-i doesn't hold back. Multiple overhead lockers, wardrobe space, floor compartments, and the large rear garage provide abundant room for all your travel gear. The garage itself is heated and illuminated, ideal for storing bikes, skis, or outdoor furniture. Now let's talk about tech and convenience. The 2026 Exsis-i features the Hymer Connect system, a smart ecosystem that allows remote control of lighting, heating, water levels, and battery status via your smartphone. USB ports, a touchscreen control panel, and optional solar power integration bring the modern digital lifestyle into your motorhome. For year-round travel, Hymer includes Truma Combi 6 or optional ALDE heating system, with a heated double floor that keeps pipes and tanks from freezing even in winter. The superior insulation ensures this A-Class is truly 4-season capable. On the safety front, the 2026 model includes advanced driver aids like lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear-view camera options. Combined with Hymer's solid build quality and crash-tested safety cell, it offers peace of mind wherever you roam. To wrap it up, the 2026 Hymer Exsis-i A-Class Motorhome is the perfect fusion of compact dimensions, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this machine is designed to deliver freedom, elegance, and efficiency in every mile. Thanks for riding along with us here at Royal Rides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting RVs, trucks, and adventure machines. We'll see you on the road.